D&D gang, what is going on, guys? I'm back from vacation and I'm back to fishing. Spinning gear, fly rod. I got like my net tied off my waist. I'm just wearing flip-flops. I'll give you the rundown really quick. We'll get right to fishing. First and foremost, I have the winner giveaway, guys. We got to 800 subs, so I know I had one video in between where I told you guys I was gonna pick the winner. We're here. So watch to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you guys who won, where the flies are getting sent. Number two, if you're new to the channel or you just haven't yet, please hit subscribe for me and like this video. I don't wanna talk anymore. Let's get right to fishing, see what we can get. Oh my God, what? That's that smallmouth. We got that smallmouth. Oh my God, it's going crazy. I gotta get my net. Gotta get my cob job net. Wow, look at that smallmouth. What? Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Get over here. Oh my gosh. What? Alrighty, that's gonna do it for this section. I mean, that's high water. Oh my gosh. I think that's a trout. I don't even know what that is. Is it a trout? Wow, what a good fish though. Bass. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap. Let me give you the winners. So initially I was gonna give half a dozen flies to someone. I decided to do 2 winners out of everyone that entered, and I'll give 3 flies to each. Michael Coleman and Jared Tessier? I don't know. I don't wanna mispronounce your name. I'll leave the names in the comment that's pinned on this video. So you guys got a few days to reach out to me and get those flies. I hope you enjoy them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm psyched. We caught 3 smallmouth out of the stream. It's a lot of fun. I've never really caught smallies in a stream. But yeah, we'll be going to the Farmington here in the next couple of videos. So more trap fishing videos to come. Subscribe if you're new. See you guys in the next video.